Have you ever thought of turning $500 into an epic trading adventure? Here's step one. Deposit $500 in the NinjaTrader and unlock the ultimate trading platform. But wait, there's more. You could try this option, and for just $150, dive into the Take Profit Trader Challenge and make your money work for you. Can you master the market and claim your prize? Will you be the next success story? Hey, my name is JD Hyter. I'm a technical analysis strategist. I teach struggling traders how to improve trading performance through better chart reading. So if you've ever thought of opening a futures trading business, now is the time. In these volatile markets, the economy is crazy, gas prices through the roof. A side hustle may be the thing for you, and I got a way that you can do it. Matter of fact, I got two ways that you can take $500 and open your futures trading business. So let's look at option number one, which we already discussed. You can just start with NinjaTrader Brokerage, okay? I've been with them for years. Start with $500, and we're gonna trade the MES, just like I showed you in this video last week. I started with $500. In 2 trading sessions, I had doubled that account. I had 100% of my money, okay? So that's option number one. You just start with NinjaTrader, go $500, trade micros, MES, all right? We all trade the S&P 500, minis, most of us. Micros gives you a better opportunity for that $500, all right? But there's option number two, which you can start with $500 or less, all right? By going through a prop firm. So many people may not know, in the futures traded marketplace, there are prop firm companies where if you take a test, if you can pass the test, they will grant you funds, right? Instant funding. So that's the second option. You could start with 150 or less. Now I know on a 25K account, the regular price with Take Profit Trader, I am a proud affiliate, been with them forever. We're gonna tell you why in a minute. But I know you can start with a 25K for, I believe, 150, but don't do that. This thing is always on sale, right? Never pay regular price at the prop firms, any prop firm, all right? These people are in serious competition and they're always running sales, okay? So yeah, so you can start with 150 or less. Let's say, I know 25K, let's just say you get away with $100. Keep it simple, right? Much less than the 500 you had to go if you just went to, a live right out the gate. With Take Profit Trader, to pass a 25K challenge, you have to make $1,500, basically before you lose $1,500. Can you do it? Do you have the skill set? Have you been building your chart hours up? Do you know how to read a price chart? If you do, this is really a viable option for you. Now, with Take Profit Trader, let me warn you right now, once you pass your challenge, then you have to create a buffer. I believe it's $1,500 too on that 25K account. You have to create a buffer, but now your profits are gonna be measured on unrealized gains. So you can't go up 1,000 and then come back and and only take a tick. You just lost $1,000 in that part of the challenge. So don't be fooled. After you pass with Take Profit Trader, that second half is part two. But once you get past that buffer, you make $1,500. At that point, now you get to keep 80% of whatever you make. So that's a very nice option to go with, considering you only put up $100, right? So you put up $100 and now you have a 25K account. Also look at it this way. When you do a prop firm challenge, and let's say you paid $90, but they give you a 25K account, but for the challenge, you can't lose more than $1,500, right? But just think about that. You got $1,500 to work with, where if you go with your personal account, you have $500 to work with. There's benefits to both though, because the benefit of going with that regular account is there are no rules, okay? You just trade the way you love to trade, following your rules and your style. For some people, that's better. You make the decision for yourself, but hey, there is 2 ways right there that you can take $500 or less and start a futures trading business. Please do not try this if you do not have the education and the skill set, all right? And if you need that, just check the links below, okay? And I have a free guide if you've been struggling to pass a prop firm challenge. If you already know about that, just comment below, give me the guide, and I will send you Finally Funded, my free guide that definitely has helped many traders pass that first prop firm challenge. And again, we are definitely affiliates with Take Profit Trader. Proudly been with them forever. The reason being, simple. Here's why I've been with Take Profit Trader, and I've tried one other place, Traderify. They okay too, but I Take Profit Trader. Here's why. That daily payout, man. Once you get past the buffer, and let's just say you make $500 and you get 80% of that on Monday, and then you do it again on Tuesday, you can take 8% and you can do it again on third. And see hey, you can get into the money very quickly in 5 days with Take Profit Trader and then be getting daily payouts on 80%. I'm pretty sure that they have a deal going on. Hey, just use my link and you'll always get the current deal, all right, which is $11.21, Take Profit Trader. So, hey, that was 2 ways to take $500 or less and start a futures trading business. So come back and check me out. Go through the channel, learn how to trade through better chart reading. Until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.